Heading down on that second run, sitting in first in Superstock, but Howard Randy out there on course now. He's going to be looking to beat that time. Those cars were right on top of each other in the morning. I'm sorry, it still is the morning for another 10 more minutes, but Howard Randy time in 29.9, 5.3, 29.9, 5.3. Right from next to beat Russell, that smoking fast run. 171 separating those two in Superstock. So we've got a couple of classes here separated by just 10 in the second row. Ryan Mills, time under 33.505, 33.505. That's a good job. I'm sorry, 1,000. I was looking for Ryan Mills there. That's right. This first time was 33.506. Now he's at 33.505. Let's see if we get a 33.504 on this next run. That would be amazing. I would actually buy him a beer. Brian, if you're listening to this, if you can accomplish that, I'll put my money where my mouth is, you know. James Wade, time in 33.989, 33.989, takes over that number 2 spot from Christian Kopaz in novice class, 33.989.